Each model of smartphone is different in shape and specifications, and thus each has a different printed circuit board, which engineers carefully design. For example, some smartphones separate the top and bottom PCBs, with the bigger one called the motherboard and the smaller the daughter board. Or for another example, some newer smartphones stack PCBs on top of one another in order to fit more space for a larger battery and more cameras. Another important detail is that this PCB is light and small. It weighs just shy of a tablespoon of water, and well, it fits inside your smartphone. Engineers have been continuously innovating, making microchips, resistors, capacitors, inductors, and connectors as small as possible. Some of these components are smaller than a flea. Older designs of PCBs used components that took up much more space, both on the board and through the board. Due to their mounting mechanism as a leg going through a hole, these older designs were called through-hole components. However, these components here are all surface mount devices, or SMD, and engineers are continuously developing smaller and lighter solutions. I'm telling you, one of you will be the engineer to design the next generation of electronics. So let's summarize and wrap this episode up. Printed circuit boards are integral to all electronics, and they come in a whole variety of shapes and designs. They provide structure, nice, neat, organized homes for all the components, and they also connect the components using a vast labyrinth of over 100 meters of wires in a connect-the-dots-like fashion.